Hello, welcome to this quick video on National Grade 6 Assessment English. On your screen you see the outline of a graduation cap, and it is considered to be a word cloud, a cloud of words, or a word cluster, or a cluster of words related to grade school English composition. As I hover my cursor over the terms, it will animate, expand so you can see clearly. Now, this video is designed to show you the different topics that are covered in the modules related to grade 6 assessment English. You learn about composition, writing letters, different types of composition, letters, the amount of time you have to do the composition, and you'll be doing it on an interactive, fillable and clickable PDF document, so you can work on your computer at home. You learn first how to plan what you're doing, ask yourself questions about the assignment, generate ideas, organize those ideas, ask yourself lots of questions, and in response to picture prompts you need to observe closely excuse and then generate ideas, organize them, and so on, so you can get better grades in grade school grade 6 assessment examination. Now, this module will help you to practice using your laptop or your desktop, because you'll be able to write on your computer, or type in the responses on your computer and generate your compositions. Enjoy.